Okay, you guys, welcome to Trello Tuesday. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your Trello boards very aesthetically pleasing because I love things that look good. I'm more apt to use them if they're visually appealing, and I'm pretty confident that I am not the only person that is doing that. So, to give you an idea of what we're going to be doing is making these cover photos here, because looking at a board, I'm more likely to use this board because it looks good. Let's be honest, it looks pretty good, and you want to look at it instead of having something like this that's very blah, very no color, no nothing, like it's boring. We don't want that. So we're going to learn how to do those today. So let's dive right in. If you are ready, let me know in the comments if you are ready. Okay, so we are going to go to canva.com. We are going to create a custom size. Once we have our custom size pop up, we are going to choose the option of 2000 by 600 pixels. You can probably choose different sizes, but that's the size I like. It works for me. It works for my clients. Oh, we love it. Okay, so once this gets loaded, anytime now. Okay, so now we have this clear blank white canvas. Boring. We are going to go into photos. Once we have our photos, we are going to choose, you can search whatever you want to search. There's some that's free, some that are pro if you have the paid version. Just for the sake of this training, we're just going to do this. So once you find your image, you're going to drag it into your white canvas, and you can totally go ahead and drag and do this, but why would you do that when you can simply just right click and choose set image as background? There, done, simple, we did it. So if you don't like the way it's showing up, double click it, you can drag it around, you can move it around, do whatever the heck you want to do with it, but I'm quite happy with it. So we're going to click done. Once you have that figured out, you are going to press R on your keyboard, ready to be wowed. Press R. Boom, we have a rectangle. If you did not know how to do that, let me know in the comments, because I was just mind blown when I learned all these shortcuts. They're amazing. Anyway, so it's going to automatically choose a color that matches your image. We don't want this brown. I don't like it. We want white. So we're going to choose white. So now that we have this, you can leave it like this if you want. I like to fill it up all the way. So we're going to drag that over there. So once you have that, now you want to be able to see the background, so it's more transparent. So we have that look to it where you can still see the background a little bit, but not fully. So we're going to click on this transparency button up here, and we're going to drag it around to a point where we're happy. You can still see the white, you can still see the background. That's where you want. Okay, so now for another shortcut, press T on your keyboard for text. Boom, we have text, you guys. Okay, so we're gonna drag down, change the size so we can actually see what we're doing. Okay, so now that you have your text, you can choose the font that you want. And once you have your font, type in what you want to write. We'll just do goals because why not? It's 2021, right? You can't really see the white, so let's change that to black. All right, so you have goals 2021, but with that being said, you can't really see that right now if it was to go on your Trello board. So you have these corners here, these diagonal corners. You want to drag them to the point where you are happy with the size that you have. So once you are happy with your size, you're going to keep moving it, keep moving it. See that little purple icon that just popped up? That means that we are centered. So let's keep moving around. Come on, Canva. Where are you at? We have one. Where's the other? Where's the other? Come on. Oh, Canva, you're making this very difficult today. Okay, well, there will be 4 lines, one going horizontal, one going vertically. There will be 4 lines telling you that you are centered. I do believe you're centered, but according to Canva, we are not. So for the sake of this training, we'll just end that there, unless you want to watch me dragging and moving around, which I really don't want to be doing. So we have that. Now we are going to download our image, and I will show you how to upload it into your Trello board to make it look very pleasing. Okay, so we got our image downloaded. We're going to go to our board. So there is a list. So what we're going to do for this training, we're just going to add a bunch of lines because we're making this board look pretty. We already know this is going to be our, oh, too many lines. This is going to be our goal 2021. So we don't really need to be writing it again. And then for the sake of this, our goal 2021, this is going to be our text. This is the text that we want. So we really don't need to be adding goal 2021 in here, because we already know it's going to say goal 2021. So we're going to delete that. We're just going to put a period, decimal point, whatever you want to call it, wherever you are. We're going to click on that card. And then if you have Trello Gold, you have this cover photo option. So click on cover. We're going to upload a cover photo. Anytime now. Upload a cover photo. Come on. There we go. All right, so go and find your goals. I might have done this a few times because it did not fully record for me. Third time is a charm, right? Okay, so we have our cover. That is that. That is done. How do you like it? What do you think? So another thing that I like to do to add it even, make it even more pleasing is I like to add like little things like hearts and icons. I have these little hearts here. So to find those, literally all I did was I went into good old Google Foo. Oh my goodness. And we are going to search heart icon keyboard or heart keyboard. Click on one of these random websites. There's going to be a whole bunch of different websites. Just choose any of them. Really doesn't matter which one you pick. They're all pretty much going to have the same thing. So find one that you like. And sure, let's do this one. So we're going to click on it. It's going to copy for you. Now we're going to go into our board, delete a few rows or a few lines. Sure, let's do that. There, we are done. How simple was that, you guys? So if you guys enjoyed this training, let me know so that I can create more trainings for you. I'm loving these Trello Tuesdays. They're for you. So if there's anything you want to learn, if there's anything that you're confused about, let me know. And I am also in the process of creating a Trello course so that you know how to use it as a beginner and be fully comfortable with using all the features. So if you are interested in that, let me know. I can add you to the wait list and we will get those details to you as soon as possible. And I say we because I visualize myself having a full team. So why not say we so that I can embody that version, right? Anyways, we will get the details to you. If you are interested in the Trello course, let me know and I will get that sent out to you and we will get you ready to go. All right. Happy Trello Tuesday, guys.